let's go. I can feel it trembling through my body. I feel it burning through my veins. Nobody's done the things you do to me. Your lips can ease all the pain. Follow me, don't worry, close your eyes. I want you desperately. Oh baby, feel my fire. So if you want my heart and soul, then I'm gonna give you all. And if you feel it empty, baby, I'm gonna fill you up. What I will do to you will send you shivers down your spine. And if you feel it empty, baby, let me light your fire. 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 Babe, you got me feeling like I'm out of control. Your touch is driving me insane. You even make the hottest fire seem cold. Don't you make me wait. Follow me, don't worry, close your eyes. I want you desperately. Oh baby, you fuel my fire. So if you want my heart and soul, then I'm gonna give you all. And if you feel it empty, baby, I'm gonna fill you up. What I will do to you will send you shivers down your spine. And if you feel it empty, baby, let me light your fire. 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 Honestly, what have you done to me? I'm full of ecstasy, out of control. What have you done to me? You got control of me. You've taken over me. Let me light your fire. 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 Let me light your fire.
I've got the taste for another night like this. No time wasted within your fingertips. I heard it loud and clear. You don't have to stay home, but boy, you can't stay here. I don't wanna waste a minute.
Ano yan? Ipat talang sa leg mo?
I don't care where we go, as long as we're together. Don't take me home.
Is something wrong? Did I mess up? Did I say something stupid? Or was I not enough? Am I still what you wanted? Or have we given up? I go through all these questions when the going gets tough. Oh, tell me, tell me. Oh, tell me. Have I done right by you? Have I done right? 'Cause I don't wanna fight with you, at least not tonight. 'Cause want? Are you good with what you got? Tell me, baby, if not, before you go. Oh, tell me.
Sobrang happy ng biyahe natin. So, silat lang yan. Baka naman Kobe. Kobe ba yan? Cut mo lang. Sabi natin kung... Sana. Yung press. Press natin. Ano? Pero silat. KRX. Ang nakakatakot. KRX. Paano? KRX.
Ever done right by you, right by you.
Huwag na naman lumagin kang dito sakto. Ito na kanina pa itabi, kaso lang, sigsag eh. Titina ko nga kung okay pa ba yung gulong nyo, baka malambot. Okay. Ay, sabi ko na yung gulong. Parang tina natin yung gulong. Hindi ko nakaramdaman nun. Paano yung sabi mo, parang gano'n nga, tulog na pala. Kasi sobrang okay, nakatulog eh.
If we want something done right, we gotta do it together. If we want something done right, we gotta do it together. If we want something done right, we gotta do it together. If we want something done right, done right.
Bali, advance tayo ngayon, mga isang oras tayong stop over dito. Papakalabigyan mo na yung tambot yan. Para sa interior. Ayun anak niya yung nag-drive. Hindi,
Dito, dapat yung ilaw. Hindi, nakirin ba? Marami? Dito ba?
Pero meron. Ito kanina.
Ay, ba't? Hirapan kayo. Uy! Wala na. Wala talaga. Ano guys? Kabot na may-ari guys.
Yung madami talaga. Ang problema eh. Okay. Yung ano,
Naka-RB mag sila. Baka magsusunod siya. Dahan-dahan po. May gas-gas na nga dun sa ano. Sa tayo.
buti naman dyan dami ng puti talaga. Wala. Tayo din. Layo pa na. Kakain. Mamaya. Kasama. Kasi sa lahat ng yun. Na? Magkano ba yung magkano? Makulo ka na naman piso eh. Ako lang. Inaabot eh. Ay, dyan. Hindi rin lang. Wala rin pa. Init. Ano mo to? Ito rin dito. Ito lang walang motor eh. Kasi lagi ito din pala yung tanong. Kaya pala yung sa Mio, yung may nut lock, no? Grabe ba? Grabe.